Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the Google Forms app from your phone's apps list. If you do not see it, open the Chrome browser and navigate to Forms. Google.com. Sign in with your Google account if prompted to continue. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right to start a new form. Give your form a clear title and short description before adding questions. Use the top toolbar to change themes or colors quickly. This gives your form a recognizable look for respondents on any device. Tap the plus button to add a new question and choose its type. Select multiple choice, short answer, or drop down for different responses. For dates and times, choose the date or time question type directly. Use the required toggle to make a question mandatory before submission. To add images or videos, tap the image icon and upload or paste a link. Rearrange questions by dragging the handle on the right side of each item. Preview the question flow using the eye icon at the top right. Tap the gear icon to configure responses, limit to one response, and collect emails. Choose whether respondents can edit after submit or see summary charts instantly. Enable quiz mode if you want auto-grading with point values and answer keys. Use the send button to copy a share link or email the form to others. Share via social apps or embed the link in a website or group chat. Check responses in the Responses tab or export to Google.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.